Good morning, everyone. It's almost ending of this year. It has been a challenging year for all of us. The pandemic, and also there's a lot of natural disaster everywhere. No matter how suffering our environment could be, the most important is we should always try to reflect the year of the past while we can do more improvement. The most important improvement we need to do actually is our inner side. With this inner side of our strengths, no matter how hardship our exterior environment could be, we will always able to survive. As you can see, back of my body, there's a lot of oak tree, maple tree turning to yellow. In the winter time, all the leaves will drop. It looked like this tree dead, but actually always the spring will come. So when we having a hardship, we always need to remember, be strong and be positive. Things will go and the good sunshine day will arrive. I wish you enjoy my sharing of today, and hopefully by very soon we'll meet each other in near future. Thank you.